Hey everyone, welcome to World Heritage Journey. Today we're at the Sydney Opera House in Sydney, Australia. Now behind me you can see the magnificent Opera House here in Sydney. It's actually my hometown and I'm really excited to share it with you. Let's have a look. The Sydney Opera House sits on Bennelong Point, sticking out right into the middle of Sydney Harbour in the centre of Sydney. It's hard to believe these days, but before construction started in 1959, it was actually the site of a tram garage. Now, it was designed and built mostly by Danish architect Jørn Utzon, though after some disagreements with the government, Utzon resigned partway through construction and he never personally saw the finished building. The house itself is actually quite large. It's the height of a 22-story building and it's over 4 acres in area. It's home as well to 7 different performance spaces that host a staggering 1,500 events every year. And that has everything from rock, dance and classical music, opera, ballet, theatre, stand-up comedy, and even lectures. So as I said, this is of course my hometown and I have been here many times, but every time I come here I find something new and interesting to discover. I think the #1 misconception that people have about this place is that it's actually one large building, but it's not that at all. It's actually 3 separate buildings and you can see 2 of them behind me. The other one is that from a distance it looks like it's covered in large single white pieces of material, but it's not. They're actually small individual tiles alternating between beige and white, which is what really gives it that sparkling glow in the sunshine. But I think the biggest impact is that in 1973, when it opened, Australia was a very conservative and inward-looking place. But with a bold new architectural statement, Sydney and Australia took its new place on the world stage. Well, there it is, the magnificent Sydney Opera House, and I hope you've enjoyed having a look around as much as I've enjoyed having another look. But that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought, hit subscribe if you'd like to see more from the World Heritage Journey. I'll see you next time.